Alright, today's adventure is a nice quick little trip on down to the Palos Verdes Kelp forest. The kelp forests provide enough vegetation and protection for tons of marine life. We're talking calico bass, Pacific barracuda, halibut, sharks, lobster, the list goes on. Kinda trippy, right? My first catch was this little reef bass. Okay, you're gonna say something about the hat. It was a gift from Vietnam when I was in Vietnam. Moving on. This little guy was my first catch. I used some cut up squid. And then before I know it, I was trolling out to catch this California barracuda, which put up a lot more of a fun fight. Check it out. These barracuda are okay to eat if they're longer than 22 inches, but I don't know how to cook these yet, so I'm just gonna let him go back and grow a little. See you, buddy. The kelp forest is massive, and I could spend all week out here just fishing nonstop and always find something new. What I can also do is not catch the fish like I did on these next two rounds. Check it out. Whether it was the barracuda that can put up one hell of a fight or my failed attempt at tying the correct fishing knot, both of them were able to snap off the line and run free. Since the winds were picking up, I decided it might be a good time to head back in. Now, the problem is, I've usually entered from a wind-protected harbor. I have never entered back on the beach with waves. And here's your comedy for the day. As I approached and got closer, I tried to time when the waves would be calm so I can enter and hopefully hop out and pull myself ashore before anything bad happened. But as you can see here, I was a little late, and as the wind catches me, I catch up speed, and now get thrown in a little barrel roll. Luckily, the voice in my head said, make sure you have everything tied down, because this is what happens. Thanks, conscience. As always, thank you for watching, and go have an adventure for yourself this weekend. It's going to be a pretty week. Take care.